boy. Wait. Wait. Good, Mason. You're being such a good boy. Just wait. Someone else want your cookie?
You're mine. You're mine. You're my bitch.
Why are you peeing in the dog bowl? Why are you peeing in the dog bowl? That's not very nice, Jose. Are you done? Can you finish, please? They'd like to eat out of their dog bowls.
Glittery. No. Really? 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 Here, that's rude. Come on, Gators. Easy guys. Come on. Come on, let me kiss you. Have a high five. High five. High five.
Come on, Zach. Come on, Zachy. Let's go. Zachy. Come on. His face is drunk. Can you believe that? Disgusting. I have to throw that out now.